over 47,000 plant species, India occupies 10th place in the world and 4th in Asia in plant diversity. It includes 15,000 or 6% of the total flowering plants in the world. India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world. India has 89,000 species of animals as well as rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine waters. Plant community which grows naturally with no one's help and is not disturbed by humans for a long time is termed as natural vegetation. The term flora denotes plants and fauna denotes species of animals in a specific region. The natural vegetation which has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time is termed as virgin vegetation. Virgin vegetation which are purely Indian are known as endemic species, and those which have come from outside India are termed as exotic plants. Relief. The nature of land influences the type of vegetation. It includes mountains, plains, plateaus as well as dry and wet regions. Different types of soils provide basis for different types of vegetation. The sandy soil and other types of soils support different types of vegetation. Climate. Temperature, photoperiod and precipitation are three climatic factors which determine natural vegetation. The character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation and soil. As per temperature, the vegetation types differ from tropical to subtropical and to alpine. Period of exposure to sunlight varies for different plants leading to their different rates of growth. Due to longer duration of sunlight, trees grow faster in summer. Forests are renewable resources and play a major role in enhancing the quality of the environment. They modify local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, provide livelihood for many communities. It controls wind force and temperature and causes rainfall. Ecosystem. All plants and animals in an area are interdependent and interrelated to each other in their physical environment, thus forming an ecosystem. Humans are the integral part of the ecosystem. A very large ecosystem on land having distinct types of vegetation and animal life is called a biome. Plant formations are used as basis of their groupings for identification. According to 2018 Indian State of Forest Report, the forest cover in India is 24.39%. India's half-natural forests are gone. 1/3 of its wetlands are drained out. 70% of its surface water bodies are polluted. 40% of mangrove forests are wiped out. Common question. Which state in India has the highest area under forest covered? Major types of vegetation. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest, mangrove forest. Tropical evergreen forest, also known as tropical rainforests, because these forests are showered with heavy rainfall throughout the year. These forest areas have more than 200 centimeters of rainfall with a small dry season. These forests are with warm and wet climates throughout the year with luxurious trees, shrubs and creepers. Trees here reach a height up to 60 meters and even more, and they do not shed their leaves. Some commercial trees which are found here are ebony, mahogany, rubber and rosewood. Common animals found here are elephant, monkey, deer, bats, sloths, snails and lemurs. Tropical deciduous forest. These are the most widespread forests of India, also known as monsoon forests, with a rainfall of 70 to 200 centimeters. On the basis of availability of water, these forests are divided into moist deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Moist deciduous forests are spread across the northeastern states, foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa and Chhattisgarh. These forests are found in the areas of rainfall of 100 cm to 200 cm. Teak is the most dominant species found here, and some more species like sal, shisham, mulberry are also found here. Dry deciduous forests are found in the areas of rainfall of 100 cm to 70 cm. These forests are found in the rainier parts of Bengal, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. These are the open stretches for the trees like neem, teak and peepal. Animals like lion, elephant, tiger, pig, lizards, snakes, tortoise and a huge variety of birds are found here. Thorn forest and scrubs. This region has less than 70 centimeters of rainfall. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern parts of the country, semi-arid regions of Rajasthan, Haryana and etc. Palm, cactus are some common plant species. These trees' leaves and stems are thick and the roots penetrate deep into the soil. Rats, fox, wolves, camels, mice, etc. are found here. Montane forest. The forests in the mountains are called montane forest. Different types of vegetation are found at different latitudes in the mountains. Wet temperate, evergreen boat forests are found between a height of 1000 meters to 2000 meters. Oak, chestnut abound in such forests. Temperate forests with conifer pines are found between 1500 to 3000 meters. Trees like pine, deodar, silver fir are found in this forest. Beyond 3600 meters, alpine vegetation is extensively used for grazing nomadic tribes like Kuchis, Gaddis, etc. These forests cover mostly the southern slopes of Himalayas, high altitude places at northeast India. Mangrove Forest. Mangrove forests are found in the areas of coasts influenced by tides. The river deltas of Ganga, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari have such vegetation. Dense mangroves are the common varieties with deep roots submerged into water. Mud and silt gets deposited on such coasts which gives the trees good fertility. Trees like Sundari, timber, palm, coconut are found here. Animals like Bengal tiger, turtles, crocodiles and snakes are found here. India has more than 2000 medical plants, out of which 500 are in regular use, 52 are critically threatened and 49 are endangered. India is rich in its fauna. Elephants are found in the hot wet forests of Assam, Karnataka and Kerala. One-horned rhinoceros are found in Assam and West Bengal. The run of Kutch and the Thar Desert are the habitats of wild ass and camels. The natural habitat of the Indian lions is the Gir forest in Gujarat. Tigers are found in the regions of forest of Madhya Pradesh, Sundarbans and in the Himalayan regions. India is the only country in the world that has both lions and tigers. Ladakh's freezing high latitudes are homes for yak, shaggy wild-horned ox, Tibetan antelope and many more. In the rivers, ponds, lakes and coastal areas, turtles, crocodiles and starfish are found. Peacocks, peasants, ducks, parakeets, macaws, cranes, sparrows, hyenas, peckers and pigeons are some of the birds inhabiting the forests and wetlands of the country. Every organism in the world has the right to live, but due to human beings and other causes, the ecosystem was disturbed. About 1,300 plant species are endangered, 20 species are extinct, also few animals are endangered and some have become extinct. Hunting by hunters for commercial purpose, pollution due to chemical and industrial waste and acidic deposits in soil, reckless afforestation and improvement in deforestation, rapid cutting of trees for cultivation and habitation. 18 biosphere reserves have been set up in India to protect flora and fauna. 10 out of these have been included in the World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Indian Biosphere Reserves: Nilagiri Biosphere Reserve in Tamil Nadu, Nokrek Biosphere Reserve in Meghalaya, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve in Uttarakhand, Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Manas Biosphere Reserve in Assam, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve in Tamil Nadu, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve in West Bengal, Simlipal Biosphere in Odisha, Dibru Sai Kohwa Biosphere Reserve in Assam, Dihang Dibang Biosphere Reserve in Arunachal Pradesh, Pachmari Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, Kanchanajunga Biosphere Reserve in Sikkim, Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve in Kerala, Achna Kamar Amar Kantak Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Kutch Biosphere Reserve in Gujarat, Cold Desert Biosphere in Himachal Pradesh, Seshachalam Hills Biosphere Reserve in Andhra Pradesh, Panna Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Financial and technical assistance has been provided to many botanical gardens by the government since 1992. Project Tiger, Project Rhino, Project Great Indian Bustard and many other eco-developments have been introduced by the government. 103 national parks, 535 wildlife sanctuaries and geological gardens are set up to take care of natural heritage.